Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Princess Badass. And today I got a video for you using pink faux fur. Yes, it was surprisingly easy and pretty affordable. So if you like what you see, just keep watching. First things first, you need a chair. I got mine at a thrift store, 2 for $15. I did mine already, and my man, bless his heart, he gets right off work and does the other chair for me. You just want to strip it and discard the rest. This is what it should look like once it's stripped. Then place the utility fabric. Grab your Sharpie and get ready to measure. You want to take your phone, lay it on the chair, and measure all around the edges to get the approximate shape. You want to just measure a little extra just to make sure that you got the right measurement. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm looking kind of crazy when I do my DIY, so leave me alone. But yes, you want to measure all the way around. And I actually did this in real time because this really doesn't take that long. I didn't speed it up or any of that. Next, you want to cut the foam all the way around. Lay it down on the chair and you want to staple it down with using the foam. Next, you can go ahead and start fitting your faux fur. You want to just take your time, stretch it out without wasting any fabric because you're going to need the fabric to cover the whole chair. Just make sure that you got the fabric where you want it before you do any cutting, because once you cut it, it's gone. For the back, you just want to measure, cut, then staple down. Same with the legs. Measure, cut, and staple. After that, I just trimmed around the feet just to make it look nice and neat. For the finishing touch, I just took the remainder utility fabric and stapled that along the bottom of the chair, and voila! The time will vary depending on the person. First chair took 20 minutes. The second chair took 2 hours. Who knows? Just have fun. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Mwah.